Hi guys, it's me and Catherine, and we bought some cards we're gonna open up. So Catherine's gonna be opening
these cool little things. These are legendary birds.
So you got the Galarian legendary birds.
And then I got 2 packs.
No, dude.
Yeah,
oh yeah, 2
packs.
packs. Okay. And then I got the Dragonite Box, which has 4 booster packs, the large foil card, and then the Dragonite.
2 Dragonite cards.
So she's going to open hers first. Here, let me open this part for you.
Yeah, because I don't do so well without ripping the whole thing off.
Yeah, but you got to go nice and easy.
Yeah.
So I guess how we'll do it so it doesn't get damaged.
Just put those over there. Just put the garbage over there.
Alright, hold on. So you got 1. She's got
that
the
card.
Galarian holographic Zapdos.
And this is what one of the packs looks like.
She's got the Galarian holographic Moltres.
And then I have a Mewtwo pack.
And the Galarian holographic Articuno. So that was all 3.
Alright, so the first one I'm going to open.
Hold on, lady. We gotta give everybody the card code.
Oh yeah, we almost forgot about the little pod.
Okay, so now.
So the first one I'm going to open is this one. Because I'm going to save the Mewtwo for last, because Mewtwo is my favorite.
Get started. Okay.
Okay.
And every card you're going to show everybody, okay?
Okay. Just going to dig my little fingers in here, because you're so chubby. Alright, so I got this one.
What was that? Let's see. Gotta tell everybody that. Oh, Basculin. Got
And
Basculin.
I got Voltorb.
Ooh.
I got
Swinub.
and I got
Glameow.
I think it's pretty cute. And
Chatot. Ooh.
ooh.
Ooh, Vespiquen. That's cool.
And it's one of those
It's a
shiny
special
ones.
card.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the special pile. I've
Thank
never
you.
seen this before.
That's the evolution of the baby one. Look in the corner.
Oh. And then, of course, I got another little energy. I also got
Oh, Bronzong.
and I got a
Dewott.
Dewott. Swimming in a swimming pool. And I got
Yanmega.
so those are the ones inside.
Oh, now you gotta give the card code.
So all of these ones were inside of this one. So I'm going to put them on top of it so I know what came from there. And now I'm going to open the Mewtwo one.
Who was that on the front of there?
Meow.
Meow?
Meow.
Who is that?
Mew.
There you go.
I don't know.
Long day at school, I think,
Yeah.
lady.
Especially with picture day.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting my brain mixed up. Okay.
Alright, so you gotta show them the card code first. Oh, you don't have the card code first. Okay, card code.
And then we
Got a Panseer.
Panseer. And
Aww.
I got a
Minun.
Minun. And if you see closely, there's his little twin and right there.
Mm-hmm. Plusle.
Yeah. And then we got
Ball toy.
ball toy. And then we got
Yeah, Corsola.
Corsola. And
That's the Galarian Corsola.
and I got Quillfish.
Ooh.
And
Ooh, nice. Show everybody.
what's his name?
Zora.
Dora. And I got
Arcanine.
Arcanine. And I got a Steel Energy. I got a Sandslash. I got a
Swatloon.
Swaloon. And then I got this power tablet. I don't know what that is.
What does it say? Oh yeah, power tablet. During this turn, your Fusion Strike Pokemon attacks do 30 or more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. Woo! That's cool.
So, I dropped a whole bunch.
Alright, so now what we do is, these are all your special ones?
Yeah, and these ones all came inside the
Alright, hold on. No,
new
it doesn't matter.
packet.
Hold on, it doesn't matter. You showed them that already.
Oh,
So now what you gotta do is, wait, is this? No, that's not a special one.
we gotta get our special ones
Right
out.
here?
Right there.
So in those 2 packs, she got, of course, the 3 Galarian birds, and then these 2.
We got a lot of, like, shiny ones.
Not bad, Lady Jane.
Those are a lot,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest. Alright, now it's my mommy's turn. I'm actually
Dragonite Box.
I'm actually kind of jealous because it's a Dragonite. It's my favorite Pokemon. But that's okay. Let's start with the Dragonite one. How is it?
This here.
Yeah, just pop it out.
I'm just trying to organize the, you can't just pop it out. They, oop, fell out.
And then there's the
That's cool. Dragonite V card.
Not only we should show them.
Relax. Relax. I know you're excited. One thing at a time.
And the huge Dragonite.
Huge card.
It's bigger than my hand.
Alright, and then it comes with 4 packs.
Another garbage goes over there.
So we got
Ooh,
Sword and
card
Shield
code.
Fusion. Oh, here's the card code. Chilling Rain.
And you also got
Another Fusing Strike.
and
An Evolving Sky. Ooh.
there could be a lot.
I'm going to
of
save
good
this one
ones
for
there.
last because that's the one I want to open the most.
So which one is the least one you want to open
Okay.
first?
Actually, we'll open Mew because I already opened a Mew one.
Yeah, there may be different ones in there. Who knows?
Well, there always is.
Well, yeah.
Aww.
Oh,
Jigglypuff looks adorable.
she's the size of a marble. She's the shape of a circle.
Durant. Panseer.
Mommy, you got the same one.
Mm-hmm.
You got the same one as me.
Minun. Ball toy. Holographic Caterpie.
Hey, Mama. Okay.
That's cool.
You got the same one as me, except mine's
Vic
one of the
Knight.
glowy ones.
Nice.
Nice. And then a water energy.
Seadrill. Trevelyan.
Ooh, you got a little.
Adventurer's Discovery.
And then another barcode.
And then another card code. Just give them a minute to screenshot it. So hold on, let me separate
the good ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the special ones right there.
I'm gonna get all my good ones off.
Okay, so next one is gonna be
That
Chilling
one,
Rain,
which is also the same bird, but except it's on the packet. Right, Mom?
and the bags that I already have, I rip the back like that. The ones that I've never opened before, I keep the bag in good condition.
Yeah, because they won't sell the exact same ones. Right, Mom? Because I won't sell those ones anymore.
Score Bunny.
Score Bunny.
Grookey. He's cute.
No.
Snorunt.
What is that type?
Venipede.
Ooh, and there's a
Snover.
You got a...
Relax, lady. Karen's Conviction. It's a holographic one. Dude, what? The Shadow Rider Calyrex V card? Holographic. That's awesome. That's cool.
That is sick. I was like shaking because it was so cool. That's sick. And then there's a
Dark Energy card.
Yep.
Flaffy.
Another
Karen's
one.
Conviction.
And
Regular card. And Weeding Gloves.
why do you need weeding gloves in Pokemon?
Okay, and then we have Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. I have this one already.
So you're just gonna rip it?
Yeah.
So that's why you kept mine in these plates, and my chubby fingers can't get the cards at first.
Alright, we got Shelmet.
Ooh.
Drillbur. Bunnelby. Mudkip.
So cute.
Oh. Pico. Oh, he's adorable. Holographic Panseer. Ooh. Absol.
Who?
Absol.
That is so cute.
Grass Energy. Clawitzer.
Spongy gloves.
Spongy Gloves.
Why do you need those for? You have like watering tools.
Corvisquire.
And then
And then the card code. One more, last one.
she's so excited for this one. She's always wanted this pack.
If I get... That'd be so exciting if I got a Rayquaza.
But it's not mostly like to happen.
Don't jinx it, lady. Don't jinx it. Alright, we got Emolga.
It's so cute.
We got Tentacle. We got Punkaboo.
What is that?
Bagon. Love Disc.
Oh, look it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Holographic Jumpluff.
Mommy, look at the next one.
Garbodor V. Holographic art. Dark Energy.
My mom has a goal to
Nuzleaf.
collect every single Pokemon card. Right, Mom?
Golduck.
There's the rubble
Rubber Gloves.
Why do you have garbage?
And the card code. We started collecting cards again because I have my childhood collection, so I'm just basically adding to that. So, my special ones, I got quite a few. Crabdor, you just saw. Jumpluff. Pansear. Shadow Rider. Calyrex.
It's kind of hard to say,
That's
isn't it?
Cool, that's cool. Karen's Conviction. And Caterpie. I think we made out pretty good.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Oh, and of course, these two. Can't forget these.
Can't forget them. Those are the main things.
So, thanks for joining us, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching us
open Pokemon
reveal
cards.
our cards.
Yeah.
And till next time.